बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all from Fatehpur Online School. After Eidul Adha, after a vacation, I come back to you in front of you to take a class for English class today. For class today, English class 5. Dear learners, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Dear learners, you have enough time to take study. So I am giving you some advice that you will stay at home, you will obey your parents, you will obey your guardian, you will connect it to your teacher by mobile. Dear learners, now we are going to start our lesson. And again, welcome to all of you from Fatehpur Online School. At first, I am introducing to you. I am Muhammad Kamruzzaman Shamim, assistant teacher, Harulia Gop Primary School, Kendo, Netrikona. Dear learners, now let's sing a song. The song is We Shall Overcome. At first, I will sing, you will sing with me. Now I am starting the song. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone today. We do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. We do believe that we shall overcome someday. Thank you, my dear learners. Now we are starting our lesson. Dear learners, at the end of the lesson, we will be able to achieve this learning outcome. Number 1, understand question about object. Number 2, understand and enjoy simple stories. Stay sentence with proper intonation. Read paragraph, dialogue, stories, letters and other text. Dear learners, let's see some picture. Think about the picture. Dear learners, you see in the screen who is he? You know that he is our father of the nation of freedom of our Bangladesh. He is the hero, national hero of our Bangladesh. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He is the father of the nation. Dear learners, you see some picture in the screen. We see in the picture there are some freedom fighters of our Bangladesh. They are fighting against Pakistan. There are another picture. It's showing in the screen. It is also our freedom war in Bangladesh. That was held in 1971 in our liberation war. Dear learners, today's our lesson Dear learners, open your book, page at 74. Everybody, open your book, page at 74. I am sure that you have already opened your book for English, class 5, English for today, class 5. We have seen our father of the nation and the superhero of liberation war, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. We also have seen some image of our freedom fighters. In returns of their sacrifice, we have got our country. So, humble respect to them. So, we remember him in our proud, we feel proud for father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Dear learners, the Liberation War Museum, I told that our chapter is the Liberation War Museum, Unit 19, Sunshine Magazine. Today is our lesson. Dear learners, I am reading the lesson loudly. You will listen silently. A visit to the Liberation War Museum. Farhan Ahmed, who has written, Farhan Ahmed written that on 14 December, our class went on a field trip to the Liberation War Museum at Agargaon, Dhaka. The trip was planned as part of our Bangladesh and Global Studies course. Our bus reached the museum at 10 a.m. A guide was waiting for us. He welcomed us warmly and took us on a quick tour of different galleries and exhibits of the museum. At first, we watched a video clip on our liberation war and our independence. There were 4 permanent galleries that exhibited rare photographs, documents, and newspaper clipping and objects used by the freedom fighter and the martyrs of our liberation war. read out to us the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Some other visitors also stopped and listened to it attentively. As we went inside before our victory, we fell silent. We were sad as we looked at the personal belonging of some of our martyrs intellectuals. Dear learners, we read the lesson now. You see some picture inside the Liberation War Museum. We shall see some picture. We'll see some picture in the Liberation, inside the Liberation War Museum. At first, we see a picture that is showing there is a picture that is symbol of our freedom, that is symbol of our liberation war. Another picture, it showing that the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, is declaring our freedom at Surhadi Udyan in 1971, 7th March in 1971. Dear learners, there is another picture that is our Liberation War Museum. There are some rifles, some arms we are seeing in the picture. Dear learners, we are seeing another picture that is carrying our Liberation War. It is situated at Agargaon. This is the Liberation War Museum. Dear learners, we see in the picture there are some intellectual martyrs of our liberation war who sacrificed their lives, their lives in the freedom of 71. They died for our country. They sacrificed their life in 1971. We do not remember them because they bring a red flag. They bring a country for our nation. Dear learners, we are seeing another picture. In the screen, my dear student, you will silent reading the lesson for 2 minutes. Dear learners, you see in the picture there are some new words. It is called vocabulary. Liberation means Shadinota, museum, Jadughar, sacrifice, Attotyag, document, Dolil, Mardis, Shohid, intellectual, Buddhijivi, fighter, Juddha. Fighter, Juddha. My dear students, dear learners, now we will answer the question. How many permanent galleries are there in the Liberation or museum? Number 2, question of 2. Number 2, what personal belonging did the student see in gallery 8 or Victory or values? Dear learners, in this situation, I am giving you a homework, a home task. When COVID-19 will remove, when your school will open, you will show your homework. Your class teacher will show your class teacher this task. This homework is for you. Write a short composition about the Liberation or museum, at least 5 sentences.